Imagine turning this ancient brick of a computer, the Commodore 64, into a real piano you can play with your fingers. No fancy keyboard needed, just this old beast from the 1980s. Today I'm going to show you a super simple program that makes it go beep boop into actual music. And the best part, we're going to type it together line by line like secret wizard spells. If a 12-year-old like you can do this, you're officially cooler than your parents were in 1985. Let's go! First, you need a Commodore 64 or an emulator called VICE. It's free. Just Google VICE Emulator and download it. When it's ready, you'll see this blue screen that says ready. That's the computer saying, "Hey kid, what you got for me?" Okay, first line, 10 space V equals 54,272. This is like telling the computer, "Hey, the magic music chip lives at house number 54, 272. That chip is called the SID. It's the reason the C64 sounds so awesome. We're just giving it a nickname, V for voice, or very cool volume place. Easy. Line 20, for I equal to 0 to 24. Poke V plus I, 0, next. Now the sneaky part. We're turning off everything the SID chip might be doing. It's like walking into a noisy room and yelling, "Everybody quiet!" We poke 0 into 25 spots starting at V. Boom, total silence. No random beeps. Line 30, poke V plus 24, comma, 15, volume time. V plus 24 is the volume knob. We poke 15, the loudest it goes. It's like cranking your parents' car stereo to max when they're not looking. Full blast. Lines 40 and 50. Poke V plus 5, comma 0, and poke V plus 6, comma 240. These two lines set the envelope, how the sound starts and stops. We're making it super snappy, instant on, stays loud, instant off when you let go of the key. It's like a light switch, not a dimmer. No slow fade like a sleepy grandpa. Line 100, P equal to peak, 197. Here's the spy move. Peak 197 is like peeking through a keyhole to see which key you're pressing on the keyboard. It gives us a secret number, and we save it in P. Line 110, if P equal to 64, then poke V plus 4.32. Goto 100, if nobody's pressing a key, P equals 64. That means turn the sound off and check again. It's the program's way of saying, "I'm bored, anything happening?" Lines 120 to 260. The key check's now the fun part, mapping keys to notes. We changed it so all the music keys are on the top two rows, numbers and QWERTY, so your fingers don't have to stretch like a giraffe. If you press Q, P equal to 62, we set the frequency to low C. Doot! This line of code is teaching the computer how to turn a keyboard key into a musical note. The part that says P equal to 62 means the Q key is being pressed, because 62 is the number for Q. The number 97 is the low part of the pitch, and the number 8 is the high part of the pitch. Together, those two numbers tell the sound chip what note to play. The lines below this one all do the same thing, just for different keys. Each line says, if this key is pressed, play this note. So pressing different keys plays different notes, just like a piano. Line 270 is the program safety check to make sure the computer does not play a note when the key pressed isn't one of your piano keys. What it means in plain English, if we didn't find a matching key, turn the sound off. This line checks if the key you pressed is one of the piano keys. If it's not, it tells the sound chip to be quiet. This line makes sure the computer only plays sound for the keys we chose and stays silent for all other keys. In line 280, we're telling the SID chip the first part of the note it should play. In line 290, now we're giving the SID chip the second part of the note so it knows exactly what sound to make. In line 300, finally, we press the play button on the SID chip, and the note comes out. Line 310, go to 100 loop forever. Keep checking the keyboard until you turn the computer off. Type run and magic. Now play something.
Hello, I'm going to be your pianist today. I want to play this Commodore 64. Who needs that old piano when you got this? I'm going to set this on the table here. And you wait. Wait till you see I can play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Oh, I wonder what you are. What do you think of that? You know, in another episode, I made a keyboard. And it goes right on top of your Commodore 64. So you can play a keyboard. Well, I hope you like your video. You know, like, if you make your own music, well, you send it in the comment section below. Like, 1 1 2 3 2 3 4 4 4 4 4 out the door. You can write that down and I can play the numbers. That'd be kind of fun. Alright. Well, thanks for watching my video. Leave a comment below. Till then, I'm going to be playing this keyboard. See you later. Catch you later.
That's it! You just turned a Commodore 64 into a piano with like 30 lines of code. You're officially a retro wizard.